So I'll give you an example. I might say something like, walk as if you're looking for something. Like you drop something and you're looking for something. So why don't we start off with that? Just try to keep your eyes up a little bit so you don't bump into anybody. Let's not go too fast. You can use this whole space. Walk around the room like you're looking for something. Where did that thing go? Where did I drop my change, my keys?
Or something really small.
Something really small. Maybe you're looking in corners for it too as you walk around. Scratching your head and just can't figure it out.
He won't make Johnny go place. He looks underneath every single shoe. That's what he does. Don't turn around!
Well, how am I supposed to see it?
She's beautiful.
Who is?
She's waving.
What are you talking about?
She's so beautiful when she does that.
Does what?
Oh my God. I can't believe she did that.
Did what?
So you go through all of that and you get nothing.
Well, I never looked at it like that before.
You could do one of Dad's jobs in half the time and you'd get paid. Then you could ask him for another job and get paid more. I bet you'd have a lot more money than anyone else at school.
Yeah, you're right.
Plus your sister wouldn't be grounded.
Can I borrow some paper and markers?
What for?
I need to make a sign that says thief.
You're the best.
What do you understand beats to be?
They are taking beats, so you have to take a moment in a scene where it feels appropriate. So, for example, my line here is, "That would be embarrassing.
Right,
Why do you steal anyway?"
right.
So you're taking a moment to hesitate or to pause, or taking a beat, have your moment, wait for it, and then say a line, so it makes sense.
Yeah, sometimes a beat is a silence, sometimes it's a pause, but usually a beat you can think of as you're playing a scene and you shift what it is that there's new information.
I really hate the guy that lives next door to me.
Why?
Called me an idiot.
That sucks. I hate when that happens to me.
Yeah.
You should tell somebody about it.
Who?
Well, you already told me, so maybe his parents?
Well, his parents always believe him though. He just makes up a lie about it. I did tell them. They just make up a lie and they're really naive and gullible.
What if you told your parents about it? I think they could
Well,
help
they
you.
would try to tell them, but it would just be the same result.
What if you tried to ignore him or avoid him?
I can't. He just screams in my ear.
What if you used earplugs?
Well, his voice is really loud.
Awesome, that's another Okay, processing is so much more interesting than baseball bats and killing dogs.
Oh,
You
yeah!
just had to work it out with
And
simple
fries.
reasoning. Have you ever walked on something like a ferry when it's really windy? So we're going to walk like we're walking into a really strong wind. It's kind of blowing in your face, blowing your hair back as you're walking. There you go.
Excellent, Steven. That's
All
great.
right, some winds are stronger than others in this room. All right, mind your bodies. Keep your eyes up, who's around you, so make sure you don't bump into them. All right.